Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss some concept or subtopic in unit number 14, that is called as the basics principle of what is organic chemistry. So we started the topic here, what unit number 15, that is called what here, the basics principles of organic chemistry. Now we take some basic here. So in the basic principle we take the subtopic that is called as the how to write the structural formula as well as the molecular formula of member of alkane. You know, we take the study the question how to represent the structural formula of any molecule. So we take the methane molecule, it's a molecular formula. You know what is the molecular formula and what is the structural formula. आपको पता है बेटा मैंने कि जो molecular formula क्या होता है बेटा कि जो total number of atom जो होते हैं उसे बोलते हैं molecular formula, और वो atom का जो arrangement कैसा है उसे क्या बोलते हैं structural formula. ठीक है. So here we take the structural or what structural representation what here. So we take the question here structural representation of structural representation of member of alkane. It means how to write the structural formula as well as the molecular formula of member of alkane. So we refer that especially 10 member of alkane in this concept here. So you know that what is alkane? Alkane is a substance in which the what is a functional group of alkane. So the carbon single bond carbon, any compound which contains a single bond, this single bond act as a member of alkane. So we take here the what? First of all, we take the alkane, name of alkane, called as member of alkane, and second what we take here, it is called as a molecular formula. What here? The molecular formula, and third we take the here structural formula. What here? Structural formula. The structural formula is also called as what here? Dash formula. What here? The dash formula. Now how to write the molecular formula of a member of alkane and structural formula of alkane, called as the structural representation of member of alkane or structural as well as molecular formula of what here? Member of alkane. Now we take the 10 member, especially 10 member of alkane. So first member of alkane, that is called as what here? Methane is a first member of what here? Alkane. The molecular formula of methane is CH4. What here beta? CH4, and these CH4 are represented by the structural formula carbon attached to how many hydrogen? So attached to the 4 hydrogen, it is called a structural formula of what here? The alkane, called as a methane. Second here we take the second member of alkane called as a ethane. Why ethane? Because all suffix of alkane contain ane, so all member of alkane is will be have the suffix ane. Methane, ethane. So what is the formula of ethane? So we increase the carbon number by 1 and what here? Hydrogen by 2. So C1, 1 plus 1 2, and this 4 plus 2 what here? 6. देखो बेटा कैसा रहेगा इसमें, जो भी 10 जो मेंबर लेंगे अल्केन के हम लोग, मीथेन, इथेन, प्रोपेन, ब्यूटेन, पेंटेन, हेक्सेन, हेप्टेन, ऑक्टेन, जो भी लेंगे ना, तो यहाँ पे क्या करना है आपको, जब भी आप एलिमेंट का यानी कंपाउंड का मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला लिखेंगे तो कार्बन को एक से इंक्रीज करना है और H मतलब हाइड्रोजन को 2 से इंक्रीज करना है। देखो यहाँ पे 1 था, 1 और 1 2, यहाँ 4 + 2 6। नाउ व्हाट इज स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्मूला हियर? सो हाउ मेनी कार्बन? फर्स्ट we take 2 कार्बन, C single bond C 2 कार्बन, and how many hydrogen? 6 hydrogen, or each carbon have a 3 hydrogen. So what we take here? 3 here, 1 2 3. So it is called as what here? The structural formula. What here? The member of alkane called ethane. Why it is called dash formula? Because it is dash. The 2 atom which contain a bond, this bond are act as dash formula. That's why it is a structural formula as well as dash formula. It indicate bond or dash. ठीक है, क्लियर है बेटा? थर्ड we take the what here? Propane, PROPANE. Propane means how many carbon? 1 + 1 2, 2 + 1, मैंने आपको बताया कि 1 1 से इंक्रीज होगा कार्बन यहाँ पे, 1 + 2 + 1 3, H 6 + 2 8, HC3H8. It's a molecular formula what here? Propane. Now how many carbon in the structure formula? So 3 carbon, 1 2 3, and first carbon have a 3 hydrogen and last carbon have a 3 hydrogen, and middle have a how many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen. Let's call what here the how many carbon here? 3 carbon, 1 2 3, and how many hydrogen? 8. 3 + 3 6, 6 + 2 8. That's what is the structural formula or dash formula of what here? Propane. So it depend upon number of carbon. Carbon increases 1 by 1. So name of the alkane also change. Here methane, it contain 1 carbon. Ethane, it contain 2 carbon. Propane, it contain 3 carbon. Whereas the H increase by 2, 4 + 2 6, 6 + 2 8. Next here we take the fourth here. So 4 point we take the butane. What here beta? Butane means how many carbon? 4 + 1, 3 + 1 4, and how many hydrogen? 8 + 2 10. C4H10. It's a molecular formula what here? The butane. So how many carbon? 4 carbon we take here, 1 2 3 4, and each first have the how many hydrogen? 3, and last have the 3 hydrogen, and remaining have the how many hydrogen? So 2 hydrogen are added in between these 2. So how many carbon? 4 carbon, 1 2 3 C4. How many hydrogen? 10 H10. 3 + 3 6, 6 + 2 8, 8 + 2 10 here. So that's why it's a what here? The molecular formula and structure formula member of alkane called as a what here? Methane, ethane, propane, butane. Now we take the fifth here. What here? So fifth we take what here? Pentane. What here? Pentane. So what is the molecular formula of pentane here? So the molecular formula of pentane is how many carbon? 4 + 1 5, C5H10, sorry C5 and H plus 10 + 2 12, C5H12. It is called what here? Pentane. How many carbon? So it contain a 5 carbon. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5. Clear? Each first have a how many hydrogen? 3 hydrogen, and last have a 3 hydrogen. 3 + 3 6, 6 + 2 8, 8 + 2 10, 10 + 2 what here? 12. It's a structural formula of what here? What? The member of alkanes. That's why on the basis of this formula we can say that we write the molecular formula as well as the structural formula of what here? The any member of alkanes. क्लियर है बेटा? क्या देखो क्वेश्चन क्या था हमारा? यूनिट नंबर 15 में हमने क्या देखा? पॉइंट नंबर structural representation of member of alkane. So we take the actual the member of alkane is for what here? 30, but in a syllabus we take the 10 main element. It is called what here? 10 main member of alkane called as the methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, then 6 hexane, 7 heptane, 8 octane, 9 nonane and 10 decane. ये 10 ही इंपॉर्टेंट है आपकी 11 के हिसाब से. ठीक है बेटा? तो इस तरीके से उसमें हमने क्या किया? नेम ऑफ अल्केन लिया पहले मीथेन, उसका जो नेम है मीथेन है, ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड का अल्केन का मेंबर, उसका मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला CH4 है, इसमें 1 कार्बन और 4 हाइड्रोजन है। उसका स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला क्या देखा, हाउ मेनी कार्बन, 1 कार्बन, एंड दिस H आर अरेंज बाय द स्पेशली कॉल्ड एज द स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला और डैश फार्मूला. This the bond between these two atoms is called as the dash. That's why it's called dash formula. Next here, ethane. Formula of ethane what is formula? Molecular formula C2H6. यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं कि कार्बन 1 से इंक्रीज हो रहा है और H 2 से इंक्रीज हो रहा है, वो याद रखना है इजीली. ठीक है, ओके. इथेन फार्मूला, स्ट्रक्चर फार्मूला, प्रोपेन C3H8, ब्यूटेन C4H10, पेंटेन C5H12 एंड स्ट्रक्चर फार्मूला. ठीक है. सो नाउ वी टेक द नेक्स्ट here, the 6th point here, what? The pentane, then hexane. Have to take here hexane. Okay. Molecular formula what here? Molecular formula C what? How many carbon? C6H12. It is a molecular formula. It is called as short form MF. It is called as what here? The name of alkane. What here? The name of alkane, molecular formula. Now structure formula what you take? How many carbon? 6 carbon we take here. So we take 6 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. And each have the how many hydrogen first? 3 hydrogen. And last have how many hydrogen? 3 hydrogen. और मिडल में आपको 2 H लगाने हैं बेटा, लास्ट में और स्टार्टिंग में क्या करना है आपको 3 H लगाने हैं, और सभी मिडल में क्या है, कितने H लगाते हैं हम लोग? 2 H लगाते हैं. ठीक है बेटा. तो हाउ मेनी कार्बन? C6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. हाउ मेनी H? 3 plus 3. हाउ मेनी H? 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 2 12. 12 plus 2 14. It's a what name of the alkane called as hexane. Number 6 here, hexane. It's a molecular formula C6H12. It's a structural formula. We take the 7 number here. What here? The heptane. So the molecular formula what here? C7H16. How many carbon? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Each have the how many hydrogen? Each have the 3 hydrogen first, and middle have the how many H? 2 H we take here. Okay beta. So it is how many hydrogen? Last 3 and first 3. That it is the structure formula of the heptane. 8 here we take the what here? Heptane, octane. C how many? Increase by 1. C 8 and H by 2. 18. How many carbon? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 8. So each have the how many hydrogen? First have the 3 hydrogen, and last have the 3 hydrogen, and remaining R will be goes as what here? 2. Okay, so it is the structural formula of what here? The octane molecule. How many carbons? C8H18. Okay, so it is a what here? The first member of alkane, molecular formula methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane. Now remaining we take the 2 here. So these 2 are remaining will be right here. What are remaining here? So the remaining point here, octane, then nonane, number 9, NO, NA, NE, nonane. ठीक है? Why? Because all the alkane is have the suffix ANE, so all the member contain suffix ANE. Nonane. How many carbon? C9 and H20. Now structure formula we take the how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ठीक है? Then 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we take the carbon. First have the 3 and last also have the 3. Okay. Remaining we take here 2. So it is a structural formula of what here? The member of alkane called is what here? Nonane. Now last video decane, number 10, last decane formula C10H22. So we take the here C10, how many carbon? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and then 10. First you have the 3 hydrogen and second last you have the 3 hydrogen and middle have the how many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen. ये आपको लगाना है बेटा easily. So it is what is structural formula of the decane. So in this way we take the question how to write the structural formula as well as the molecular formula of a what here member of alkane. So we take the member of alkane first here methane, molecular formula, structural formula or so called dash formula ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, then nonane and decane. क्लियर बेटा, इजी होता है. ठीक है, तो हमने क्या देखा पहले फार्मूला स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला, देन मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला, द स्ट्रक्चर फार्मूला इज आल्सो कॉल्ड व्हाट फार्मूला? डैश फार्मूला. ठीक है, इसके बाद हम कल देखेंगे कंडेंस फार्मूला. व्हाट हियर? सो हाउ टू राइट द कंडेंस फार्मूला. ओके, सो कंडेंस मीन्स द कॉम्बिनेशन फार्मूला कॉल्ड एज द कंडेंस फार्मूला. ठीक है बेटा, क्लियर है? देखो ये this formula CH4CH5 it is also called the molecular formula or second name is also called what here? Which formula? Condensed formula. याद रखो बेटा, the molecular formula is also called as what here? The condensed formula. Which formula? This also called is what here? Condensed formula. Clear? The structure formula is also called as dash formula, whereas the molecular formula is also called as a condensed formula. ठीक है बेटा, तो इस तरीके से हमने पहले क्या देखा? स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला, मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला, मेंबर्स ऑफ अल्केन लिया. उसके बाद जो कल का जो लेक्चर रहेगा उसमें हम देखेंगे हाउ टू राइट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक फार्मूला ऑफ अ मेंबर ऑफ अल्केन, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक फार्मूला, जिगजैग फार्मूला ऑफ अ अल्केन. ठीक है, ईजी है बेटा, ये आपको अच्छे से याद रखना है. और ये मेंबर ऑफ अल्केन हर ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री की रिएक्शन में मेंबर ऑफ अल्केन का यूज होता है, तो ये आपको याद रखनी है 10 एक्चुअली. ये 10 जो मेंबर है, नेम ऑफ द मेंबर ऑफ अल्केन एंड मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला एज वेल, तीनों भी चीज़ें आपको अच्छे से पार्ट करनी है. ये 11 में भी और 12 में भी आपको पूरा जो ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री है, ऑल द रिएक्शन पार्ट डिपेंड अपॉन दिस टाइप्स ऑफ मेंबर ऑफ अल्केन, अल्केन, अल्कीन, अल्काइन. ठीक है, क्लियर है? तो ये आपको अच्छे से बेटा समझना है, इजी है. एलिम पहले आपको नेम याद रखने है और फॉर्मूला इजी है. मीथेन आपको याद है, अगर आपको नेम तो यहाँ फार्मूला CH4 एक याद रखना है, इथेन याद रखना है. अब इसमें कार्बन को 1 से बढ़ाना है और H को 2 से बढ़ाना है, इंक्रीज करना है. तो C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, CH8, C9, C10. H को 2 से 4 + 2 6, 6 + 2 8, 8 + 2 10, 10 + 2 12, 12 + 2 14, 14 + 2 16, 16 + 2 18, 18 + 2 20, 20 + 2 22. अब लास्ट डिकेन. तो ऐसे आपको ये पूरा जो फॉर्मेट है याद रखना है. ठीक है, इजी है बेटा. ओके, ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच.